Good morning from beautiful Jamaica. You can already hear the music playing down there this morning. We're just chilling on our balcony right now, eating a couple breakfast items of coffee. We're actually getting ready to head down to have our massage this morning, and then we're gonna go down and explore Falmouth, Jamaica. And it looks and sounds beautiful. Kiddos are just waking up, so gonna get them ready and head down. As you can see, we're still in our robes, so trying to do a Facebook Live video right now, but it didn't work, so we're just gonna put it on the vlog, and you guys will get to see this when we post it. But it is really, really pretty out here. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can get a better view.
Hello.
Hey guys! Daddy and I just spoiled ourselves. We just left the Senses Spa this morning for a couple's massage. How was it?
Oh, it was very lovely.
It was
very
awesome.
Relaxed, very soothed, I guess you could say.
Didn't want to move after. So the kiddos have been in a Small World Nursery and Oceaneer Lab, and we think maybe there was a meet and greet down there. We haven't heard anything from them, so we're thinking they're having a great time. They did awesome last night. They've been doing a lot of cool projects, and Kinsley's got to do dance parties and glow sticks and all kinds of cute little projects in the Oceaneer Lab. Carter got to color us a picture and watch movies, and they're just having a great time. So we are ported in Jamaica, Falmouth, Jamaica, and this view does not suck.
There's more over on this side.
Doesn't stink.
Get over on this side. So yeah, we're gonna go.
So pretty.
We're gonna go pick up the babies, and then we're gonna go hit Jamaica.
Tonight is pirate night, so tonight's gonna be a lot of fun.
Arr.
We're excited. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
What you eating there?
Crab.
We're eating at Cabanas before we head on out to Jamaica, and we're looking at this really beautiful view while we eat. That's the Royal Caribbean cruise ship right there.
We're unsure of which one it is.
We don't know which one. We'll know when we get out there.
Maybe. Or not.
Kinsley is enjoying some shrimp with her daddy. All the shrimp we can eat on the ship.
Crab you can eat. Basically all the everything you can eat. All the pizza, all the chicken fingers, all the fries, all the everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
If you go hungry on the ship, it's your fault.
Yeah, there's no possible.
Carter's looking out at Jamaica. What do you think, sis?
Oh, thank you.
Yep. You getting good and full so we can go out to Jamaica?
No, I want more shrimpy.
All right, we'll go get you some.
You say please. That's always important. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So I think we're probably going to end up walking back to the ship, but we got to step foot here and kind of see. It's a beautiful port area. Beautiful mountains, beautiful scenery. You just can't get to any of it, really. I mean, unless you're on a guided tour, which we didn't book any tour for today. Or, it's just too iffy to venture out by yourself, especially with kids.
And when you have kids that are this happy right here, you really don't want to be walking through vendors and people who are like, hey, buy this, buy this, buy this.
Yeah, so we got to come out. It's a beautiful island, beautiful out here, but we set foot, we were in Jamaica. We'll get a few more shots from the boat, I'm sure, but I think we're just gonna head back to the boat and hang out by the pool for the afternoon, and then tonight's pirate night. So maybe we'll get a shot of Daddy and Sissy and I doing the aqueduct in a little bit.
That'd be fun.
All right.
Dumbo. Looks like it's about to rain here in Jamaica. The other ship's still here. I think our ship's here going to be for about another hour that we're pushing out. Then we're going to have a pirate night tonight and then a day at sea. So that's going to be pretty fun. Hey, Donald Duck. He rode the aqueduct and got stuck in the smokestack. Donald Duck is crazy. I missed the first couple horn blasts, but they did several different horn blows there. I think we won that, you know, cruise ship horn battle there. You know, we're leaving. You can see the boat. The boat leaving there as we're going. So goodbye to Jamaica. We're leaving. We're out of here. Tomorrow is a full day at sea. We're not stopping anywhere. And then our last stop, which kind of is depressing. I don't even want to think about last stop. Will be coming Castaway Key. So that'll be the last stop. But tomorrow is a full day at sea. Nay is up here doing this water slide. And Carter. What are you doing? Was that loud? She's coming. She's up there? You're too small.
Parker. We made a new friend. It's pirate night and we're eating an enchanted garden. I don't know if you can see the view, but there's the view of the ocean behind me. There's Kinsley. She's dressed up as Mal since Mal fights the pirates. Arr.
And that's Parker.
Parker went to Bibbidi Bobbidi and got in pirates. Yeah, and Carter's just got his shirt on. Daddy, say arr. Arr. Then I got, let's see, I'll show you the menu. So the menus are pirate themed. The kids' menus are pirate hats. They make into pirate hats and they get color on the inside. There's Car. Bread time for me. Is it cornbread? No way. That's my favorite.
Cornbread.
All right, let's eat some cornbread. Say, arr. So Dave decided he was going to be a big kid.
It's pirate night.
So the kids have light up passion fruit cups that have Captain Mickey on them, Pirate Mickey. And Dave wanted one of his own, but they brought him a shot of rum to put in his passion fruit juice.
They come with passion fruit, and I asked them, I was like, it's pirate night, do they come with rum? And they said, no. And I said, okay, well, it should, it's pirate night. Arr. So they brought me a shot of rum.
Asking you shall receive at Disney, right?
Yes. I'm going to put it in.
Dump it in. He's real fancy with the light up Pirate Mickey and his rum. How's that Mickey bar, baby? Carter's favorite dessert, Mickey bar, after his mac and cheese on the ship. They dip it in sprinkles for him too, so he eats all the sprinkles off of it. Is that yummy? There's also this dessert, the caramel tart cheesecake. So good. So good. I got my hair braided for Pirate Night. Different, but I think I like it.
She looks terrific.
I look terrific is what Dave says. Kenzie got her hair rebraided. Yep, she's eating her Mickey bar too. Desserts all day, every day. All the time.
ARRGH.
Bye. Arr.
ARRGH.
and overseer of this fine vessel. Simply put, this ship is mine.